This year at Domotex we are proud to introduce 5G Cross, our latest addition to the 5G portfolio. As most people know in the flooring industry, there has always been a challenge related to installing click floor in a straight set. It used to be a hassle installing rectangle and square patterns in a straight set installation, keeping the panel from not moving and shifting and creating gaps and shifts in the pattern. With 5G Cross technology, we solve this issue. Thanks to the specially designed 5G Cross components, all panels can now be kept in the desired position. Let me show you how. In the products you see here, we have combined 5G Cross with our state-of-the-art 5G drive together with our Decorative Groove. The result, a floor with a leak-proof seam without the hassle to grout. A perfect alternative to ceramic installation.